So how did you find the new lesson?
Easy.
Very easy, right? I'm going to share the worksheet together and we are going to solve some exercises, okay? Okay, let us start by the first one. We are going to say whether what? Whether each number is the solution of the equation. So for the first one, we are going to check if 6 is a solution for 3x minus 7 equals x plus 5. Who wants to do it?
Me.
Go ahead, smile. Smile. So the first one. So what do I do in this case?
3 times 6.
Very good.
3x.
Minus
1
7.
6 plus 5. Minus 7 6 plus 5.
Very good. So you are going to replace the x by 6, right?
6.
And then what do you get?
11.
3 times 6, which is 18. 18 minus 7 is 11. Is 11 equals to 6 plus 5?
Yes.
So 11 equals to 11,
6
then
plus 5,
6.
11.
Very good. Then 6. What do we say in this case? 6 is what?
Solution.
Very good. Anyone have any question about this one? No. Great. Let us do the second one. Alma, can you do the second one, number 2?
مش هذا درس جديد.
Okay. We have 3x minus 7 equals 5x plus 2.
7 okay, we replace the x with minus negative 9 over 2.
Very good. And we should have the same. And we should have the same. Very good. The same answer in both terms. Very good. So anyone, again, I'm going to repeat the question. Anyone have anything about this question? Serene, is everything clear?
مش هذا درس جديد.
Yes. Vanessa, any question? Okay, so let me check if someone is talking. Very good. Okay, Hadi. Yes, clear. Now let us go for the second question. In question number 2, what do we have? We need to solve. What's the meaning of the word solve? What's the meaning of the word solve? What do I mean when I say
to find the value of x?
Yes, Kareem?
To find the value of x.
Very good, Kareem. To find the value of x. Excellent. So we have an equation and we need to find the value of x. How can I do it? Yes, Kareem. Solve the first one.
X equal 4 over 2 equal 2.
Excellent. So the first one we do x equals 4 over 2 and then x equals 2. Excellent. The second one, 5x equal to 0. Who wants to do it?
Me.
Go ahead.
أنا زهراء.
Yes, I can hear you, Zahra. So 5x equals to 0. How do I do this?
X 5 فأنا 0 ممكن حسب.
Very good. So x equals
0.
Very good. So because I have to put the 5 under the 0, so 0 over 5 is 0, right?
Okay. Yes.
Great. The second one, minus 4x equals 28. Who wants to do it?
Me.
Gabby, go ahead.
X equals 28 over minus 4.
Very good. X equals 28 minus 4, 28 over minus 4, and then x equals?
Minus 7.
Excellent. 3y minus 7 equals to 2. Who wants to do it? I need to hear new voices. 3y minus 7 equals to 2. Who wants to do it?
Miss, can I do it?
Go ahead, Celine.
2.
Let us start step by step. So,
1 equals
3y equals? Take the minus 7 after the equals. So we have 3y equals 9. Is it clear? And then y equals 9 over 3. And then y equals 3. Did you get it?
Yes.
Very good. So if
Miss-
I have any
Miss-
number
Miss
before the
Michelle.
equal, I need to take it after the equal. If it's negative, it becomes positive. If it's positive, it becomes negative. Right?
Yes.
Yes.
Good. So let us go for question number or part B also. We need to solve. We need to take the axis, everything that have x to the left and all the numbers to the right. Do you agree?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Equals 4x plus 8. That means you have to move the 4x to the left and take the 7 to the right. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So when I take the 4x to the left, it becomes
Minus.
excellent. It becomes
Minus
minus 4x. And when I take the 7 to the right, it becomes
Minus.
very good. It becomes minus 7. So I will get
Mister,
in this case.
الفاف كمان فيها variable.
Zahra, are you asking something?
الفاف كمان ولا variable x.
5x, it has a variable. That's why I need to keep it on the left side.
Okay.
Okay, and I
فهمت
bring the
عليك أنا.
4x beside the 5x, it becomes minus 4x, and I bring the 7
والسبب
beside the
تصير
8,
حط
it
القلب.
becomes minus 7. So in this case, I will get 5x minus 4x equals 8 minus 7. And then, and now the question is, what's 5x minus 4x? What's
1.
Very good, it's x, right? 5x minus 4x, you subtract the coefficients and you keep the variable. So 5x minus 4x is x. And what's 8 minus 7?
1.
So x equals to 1. That's the solution. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Alma, Zahra?
Yes.
Great. So Alma, can you do the second one? Following the same steps.
Okay. Minus 7b equals to minus 5b.
Okay, so what do
Then
I need to
have-
do now?
Minus 7b minus 5b equals
You are telling me that you need to move the b to the left, right? It's minus 5b. When I
Yes.
take it to the left, it becomes
5b.
excellent. It becomes 5b. So minus 7b plus 5b, as you can see, right?
Equals to
Equals 2. Now minus 7b plus 5b,
we subtract.
we subtract, so it becomes minus 2b equals to 2. And now we take the coefficient under the number,
B
so it's 2
equals
over minus 2,
oh, minus
which
2.
is minus 1.
B
I hope-
equals 1.
I
Minus
hope
1.
it's clear for everyone right now. So the steps are very clear. Just take the variables to one side and the numbers to other sides, and then reduce them. Okay? Okay.
Okay.
Now number 4.
Anna?
Who wants to do number 4? Who wants to try?
Miss me.
I need someone else. Where are you guys? Maya? Vanessa?
أنا بحاول.
Hadi? I need to hear new voices. Adam Tariq, how are you? I need to hear your voices, guys. I need to make sure that you understood everything.
بس أنا بحاول.
Ali, go ahead, Ali.
بس
بس أنا ما عرفتها كتير.
Yeah, let us do it together. In number 4, as you can see, we have 4 into 3t plus 2 equals 3 into t plus 5. What do you think we should do first?
نعمل parentheses.
Very good. Get rid of the parentheses. Excellent, Ali. How can I do this?
Times.
Very good. So we multiply the 4 by every term inside the bracket, right?
يعني 4 times 3t وال 4
Excellent.
times 2
Very good. So what does it become? 4 into 3t,
12t
4 into 2,
6 قصدي 8
8 equals, what do I do now?
3t
Plus
3t
plus 15.
Excellent.
15.
Excellent. Very good, Ali. So the first step, it's very easy. So we get rid of the brackets, as you can see. Now, what's the second step, Ali?
بنحط كل شيء variable بالleft وكل شيء أرقام
Numbers.
بالرايت.
Very good. So I bring the 3t to the left. It becomes
left. 3t minus 3t.
very good. And I bring the 8 to the right. It becomes
Right. Minus 8.
very good. It's easy, Ali, right?
Yes.
Very good. So guys, do you have any question about this one? You can talk or you can write for me if you have any question about this exercise.
Yes, شوية لخبط.
You have to practice them, Alma, more than one time. Just repeat them to make sure that you understood everything, okay?
Okay.
Mass.
Yes.
كيف عرفنا إنه T هي 7/9?
Okay. It's 9t over equals to 7, right? It's 9t equals to 7. Now, what do? We take the coefficient of the variable, we put it as a denominator. Coefficient of the variable should be put in the denominator. So we have now 7 over 9. Yes?
Okay.
Every time you have a coefficient with a variable equals to number, this form, you need to take the coefficient as a
number
denominator.
over the coefficient.
Exactly. The coefficient over yes,
down.
you put it as a denominator. Very good. Excellent. So any question about this exercise before we continue?
No.
Great. Let us continue now. So question number 3. Do you still remember when we used to find the missing angle in a triangle? Do you still remember? Very good. So now the missing angle, I'm going to replace it by x. So instead of writing the full angle, I'm going to put it as x. Okay, so the first one in the triangle is very easy. You just put the x on a side and the numbers on the other side. Okay? Okay, Ismail, if you look at the second one, what do I have? I have a straight angle. Do you agree? Okay. Do you agree that the 3 angles are adjacent, supplementary?
Yes.
So you know that the sum of the 3 angles is equal to?
108.
Very good. So I need to add x plus 20 to x plus 46 to x plus 14 equals to 180. Right?
How?
Now what do I do? What are the steps?
90 plus 57.
I'm talking about the second one.
اللي تحت.
Yes.
هي adjacent supplementary.
Supplementary angles. Very good. So we added the angles and we put them equals to 180. Now what are the steps to continue?
نعمل add لكل شيء فينا نعمل له add ولا؟
Very good. So what we reduce first, or the best thing to start with is to put all the variables to a side and the numbers to the other side. And then you add. Okay? Ismail, do you still have any question about this one?
No.
Okay, anyone? I saw someone raising their hand. Let me check. Karim.
زهراء.
But I didn't understand it.
The second one? The straight angle? Okay, so first of all, we have 3 angles, x plus 20, 2x plus 46, and 2x plus 14. And you know very well that the sum of these 3 angles is equal to?
180.
Very good, because it's a straight angle, right?
Yes.
Okay, so x plus 20, 2x plus 46, 2x plus 14 equals to 180. Now, what are the steps?
We replace them.
We take the x to our side and the numbers to the other side. Look at this step. Wait. I'm going to mark it to know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about this step. Can you see it?
Yes.
So what did we do in this step? We moved the variables to the left and we took the numbers to the
Right.
Right.
very good. And now what do? What's x plus 2x plus 2x?
5x.
Excellent. What's 180 minus 20 minus 46 minus 14? 100. And now we take the coefficient to the
Right.
to the denominator. So it's 100 over 5, which is 20. Excellent, Karim. Zahra, you
Miss?
raised your hand. What's your question?
مس سمعتينا؟
Yes, I can hear you.
مس كنت عم بسألك بهديك قبل هيداك الإكسرسايز أنا ما كنت عم بفهم هالإكسرسايز من وين لأنه
I'm
ما عم
going to
بفهم
go
هيك.
back. I'm going to go back, Zahra. But please, if anyone have any
Miss,
question about this exercise, ask me now.
مس فيكي لأنه هلا عم بقطش وما كتير عم بسمعك منيح. في اترك اللايف وارجع احضرها على رواق.
Yes, I'm
بعدين
going
إذا
to
نزل.
repeat the exercise, and you can watch it later. Okay?
اوكي.
Okay. Gabi, do you have any question about this one? Anyone?
مس مين؟
Okay.
ماس
Yes.
بس انت لما كنا باكسرسايز بي قلت بدك ترجع تعيدي لي اول واحده.
Yes, I'm going to
عشان
go
ما
back.
فهمتها.
Let us go back. So your question is here, Ali, right? This one?
بآي.
Yes, this is A.
هون.
Which one?
بس ما فهمت الفكره. شو بدنا نعمل؟
Okay, Ali, the idea is to find the real value of x. Okay, if for example you tell me x equals to 5, then the value of x is 5. But if you tell me 2x equals 8, what's the value of x? Is it 8?
4.
It's 4. So I need to find the real value of x. So I need to solve. I want to see x standing by itself, where the coefficient of x is 1 or any variable. Did you get it, Ali?
Yeah.
So the idea of solving is to find the value of x, the real value of x.
بس فيكي ترجع تحلي واحده بس من اللول.
Of course, I'm going to solve one of them. Okay, pay attention. So if you look at the first one, Ali. Wait. Okay, if you look at the first one, 2x equals 4. Okay, I need to find the real value of x.
X equal to
Ali, are you hearing me? Ali? Okay, so 2x equals to 4. I need to find the value of x. How can I find the value of x? To get rid of 2, right? Because here I have 2x and I need the value of x.
Coefficient with denominator.
So where do I take the 2? Under in the denominator. Ali, every time you see a coefficient, you need to take it under.
بتصير 4 over 2.
Excellent. It's 4 over 2. And then x equals to 2.
X equal 4 over 2. يعني x equal to. Okay.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
Very good. So, anyone have any question, guys? So we learned how do we solve? How do we solve an equation? How do we check if we have a number? How do we check if it's a solution or not? Okay.
It's easy.
Thank you, Karim. So guys, if you still have any question, ask me right now.
أمل هتعيدي لنا يوم بس